Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have the dollar days. The new dollar days, they're starting tomorrow. We love the dollar days here because they just let us take advantage of some of the best deals if you're ITC, and we just get to pick up some excellent items at a very low price. If you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing and or hyping. And let's jump in. Everyone's still getting hats. Oddly enough, the website's not showing the hats anymore. The hats deal should be going on through the 26th. Maybe I'm missing something. I don't see it listed anymore, but should be going on through the 26th. Here we go. The new dollar days going on through November 5th. Says October 25th to November 52nd, which means these dollar days are going to go on forever because the 52nd of November doesn't exist. And here we go. Pittsburgh 4-inch magnetic parts holder, $1. Normally $3, 66% off. Great way to start off the dollar days. Mini razor blade scraper for those mini scrapes that you need to do, 49% off. Normally $2, $1. Tack cloth for $1, 22% off. I just want to look to see what a tack cloth is. Remove dust, dirt, and lint with a tack cloth. Loose particles of dust, residue, dirt from surfaces in preparation for painting, coating, laminating, or photo etching. Good to know. $1 tack cloth. We keep going. Chicago Electric 5/16" by 8-foot heat shrink tubing, $1. Normally $2.50, 59% off. Then we have the 1/8" by 50-foot paracord, $2, 33% off, normally $3. Hallmaster square bale PTO lock pin at $2, 33% off. Hallmaster again. Ball stretch cord set 4-piece, so you can ball stretch with your friends. Normally $3, 33% off, down to $2. Storehouse 8-inch cable ties, 100-pack, your choice of color, $2, 19% off, so normally $2.50. But your choice of black or white. Then we have the 5-foot by 6-inch. We have the 5-foot 6-inch by 7-foot 6-inch heavy duty reflective all-purpose weather resistant tarp, $3, normally $5, 39% off. The 80 lumen rechargeable super bright 12-volt compact mini LED light, $3. Who is this from? Compared to Ring, and it's just saying it's an 80 lumen rechargeable super bright 12-volt compact mini LED flashlight. Look at that. You can charge it in your smoke outlet. Do they still put those in cars? You can light a cigarette. I can't be the only person who burned myself when I was a kid using those outlets. Continuing, we have the Pittsburgh Pro Alert. I'm not going to forget that. Pittsburgh Pro Alert. Lifetime warranty, automatic center punch with brass handle, $3, normally $4, 24% off. That is nice. We have the Hallmaster E-Track long handle tool holder, $3, normally $4, so 24% off of that as well. We have some Hardy high visible performance work gloves, $4, normally $6.50, 38% off, available in large and extra large. We have Merlin's 1/4-inch brass coupler, industrial, your choice of male or female, $4, normally $4.69, 14% off. With a half-gallon multi-purpose sprayer, $4, normally $5, 19% off. We have one of our favorite items, the Hallmaster 1/2-inch forged cargo D-ring anchor. 1/2-inch D-ring is plenty, $4, normally $5, 19% off. The Storehouse Cotter pin assortment, 555-piece, $4, normally $5.49, 27% off. We have the Niagara 32-ounce professional spray bottles 2-pack, Shakur, $5, 28% off, normally $7. Gotta go to Harbor Freight, gotta hit them up. Excellent deal. Next, US General Alert 15-slot wrench organizer, $5. Normally $7, 28% off. Does anybody have this slot wrench organizer from US General? It looks kind of handy. How are you storing your wrenches? Decent discount, 28% off. Wrenches sold separately. Then we have Merlin extended dual foot air chuck inflator, $6, 24% off, normally $8. Then we have Pittsburgh SAE and metric long reach hex key set, 36-piece, $7, $9 normally, 22% off. Lifetime warranty of course, compared to Amazon Basics. I don't know if that's a great comparison, although I love me some Amazon Basic. Next, Hallmaster, 1,467 pound capacity, 2-inch by 20-foot E-track ratcheting tie down, sky blue, $8. Normally 11 bucks, 27% off. Then we have the 1 gallon of degreaser, super heavy duty degreaser. Normally 11 bucks, 27% off. Now $8 compared to Zepp. And then we end it with a killer deal here. The Doyle Rules folding jab saw, 9 bucks. Normally 12 bucks, 24% off compared, of course, to Klein Tools. And it does look like these are all limit 4. But those are our dollar days. And of those dollar days, which ones are you digging? Some decent deals here. I like the spray bottles for $2.50. Maybe there's better deals somewhere, but $2.50 seems super solid. 1/2-inch D-ring anchor, high-vis gloves, Pittsburgh Pro lifetime warranty for $3, brass handle punch, ball stretch cord. I know you'll like that one. Mini scraper and 4-inch magnetic parts holder. Some decent deals again going on through November 52nd. What are you gonna get? How many hats have you gotten? Either way, I hope you're enjoying your hats. And actually, we'll take a quick minute. There's a few new tools to look at, and I do want to mention this Predator 11,500 watt tri-fuel super quiet inverter generator because, well, one, it's 2,200 bucks, and that's pretty expensive, but it is brand new. Of course, we just did our video on next weekend's deal. If you're ITC, 20% off all Predator, and that lines up, if this is in stock in your store, to get a killer deal on this 2,200 bucks. Let's call it what it is. You're gonna get 20% off. You're saving $440. 440 bucks on the most brand new top of the line super quiet inverter generator. If you're willing to drop that money, perfect time to save almost 500 bucks. And since we're here, the Hercules 20 volt brushless cordless 1-inch D handle, SDS plus type rotary hammer, 100 bucks. Tool only, breakthrough tough concrete and masonry. Hopefully that's in your store. Got the Maddox cordless hot stapler kit, some N95 masks, Pittsburgh 5-gallon pail pump, and the Doyle constant swing tubing cutter. The rest we've seen. Oh wait, there's a few more. What? There's some new cable ties? Maybe we should have done a video on all these new tools. New cable ties from Storehouse, 15-inch black cable ties, 100 pack. Look at these pictures. They have gone all out. I love it. Durable cable ties, UV resistant, make them ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. And then there is a new Thunderbolt Solar, 100 watt monocrystalline solar panel kit for $170. Offers reliable power almost anywhere with durable frame and handy USB ports. Kit includes key accessories for fixed installation and battery charging. What? Love it. Love the options. Anyways, we'll leave it at that. What are you excited for? Got our new dollar days. Get some more hats. Good luck out there. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.